Hi everybody, happy afternoon. How are you children? I hope you all are fit and fine. Yes children, I am Gauri, your social teacher. Children, due to the corona pandemic, the whole country locked down. In this situation, our school has started the online session for you. So I welcome you all to the GGV Digital School. Yes children, I request you all, you take advantage of this opportunity. This session will help us to maintain our flow of study. Yes children, I am your social teacher. So we start our session with an interesting message. Children, everybody likes to hear the magical stories. Here, even me, you, everybody. I think you heard many magical stories. In those stories, a princess or a queen stand in front of the mirror and ask to that mirror to show a particular person. That mirror also immediately shows that person wherever they were in the world. That is called magical mirror. So today you seeing me in your magical mirror, that is your laptop, your mobile or your system. Through this magical mirror, we will continue our session. Yes children, the grade 7 you going to learn today first chapter in geography, environment. Environment means what? Surroundings. Children, can you name some biological and physical things, components in your surroundings? How these components are related to each other? How it is affect our life, that is human life? All these questions you will get the answer. Okay. Yes children, we will start our lesson with a small story that is given in your textbook. Okay. Here, Rahul is a 7th grade boy. After a long leave, he started to go in his school. That time he saw the only playground of his school was dug up. He was very sad and asked to his friends and other people. They said that playground will be constructed a big flats or apartments in that place. Rahul was very sad and he went to his teacher and asked about this. His teacher said, yes children, for human needs, our environment is changing. Okay, what is called environment? Babu asked his teacher. Teacher replies, the environment means the place, the persons, that means the people and the things that surroundings you or make the environment. We hear the word environment, school environment, hospital environment, family environment, like this. Now we miss our school environment. Yes, no children? Yes. Yes children. Here next you are going to see about the components of environment. Yes, all these things made up of some components that we know very well. Here that our environment also made up of some components. The three major components made our environment, that is natural, human made and human. These are the three important components of our environment. Yes, and what are the three types of environment? That is types of environment: natural environment, human environment and human made environment. Yes children, if you see that components of environment and types of environment, that is natural environment, human made environment and human environment. Yes, what is called natural environment? What are the places they shown in the picture? Say the natural environment is made up of living things, land, air, water. These makes the natural environment. Then next one is human made environment. That is some environment is made by the human. The natural environment is created by the nature. The human-made environment is made by the humans. That is the buildings, roads, dams. So these things are called as human-made environment. Not only that things, whatever things we are using, such as mobile phone, pen, pencil, books, everything also human come in the human environment. Buildings, parks, bridges, and dams, everything, industries, monasteries, they are given in the pictures. These come in the human-made environment because this environment is not created by the nature. Then last is the human. How the human become environment? Yes, we say a family environment. How we can say a family is environment? A group of people living together. They are called family. We saying that is family environment. Then we are saying hospital environment. How we can say hospital environment? Yes, doctors, patients and the building of hospital is together is called hospital environment. We saying that school environment. What is school? People, that students and teachers and everybody make the school environment. So all the natural human-made and human is make our environment. Human also in this picture they shown individual, family, community, religion and group of people, economic, everything is come in the human environment. That is called components of our environment. Is now the types of environment the same: natural environment, human environment and human-made environment. Natural environment, that environment is made up of, created by nature. Human environment is individual or a group of people is come under the human environment. Then human-made environment is some environment, that is buildings, roads, dams, bridges, that and all comes under the human-made environment. Children, now you know what is called environment. The places, people and things which is surrounding us is called environment. The environment provides us the air we breathe, water we drink and the place we live. The totally together is called environment. That environment is made up of mainly three components, that is natural, human and human-made. The environment also three types, that is natural environment, human-made environment and human environment. Yes children, next we'll see that natural environment. We already said that natural environment is created by the nature, that is we saw air, water, land and all the living things. That natural environment is made up of two major factors, that is biotic, abiotic factors. Okay children, do you know what is bio? Bio means life. Biotic means what? All the living organisms is come in the biotic factors. Okay, all the living organisms. The living organisms was classified into two major kingdoms, that is plant kingdom and animal kingdom. So plant means all the shrubs, grass, plants, trees, all these things come in the plant kingdom. Animals means all the humans and also the insects, tiny small insects, everything is come in the animal kingdom. So plant and animal kingdom combined together make up biotic factors. And another one is abiotic factor. What is called abiotic factors? All the non-living things. Immediately if you are saying non-living things means fan, light, your mobile phone is come under non-living things. That also abiotic factor? No. Abiotic factors means the natural non-living things. Now you say what are the natural non-living things you see in the surroundings? Soil, yes, sun, yes, mountains, rocks, these and all come in the abiotic factors. So our natural environment made by the biotic and abiotic factors. That is, biotic means the world of living organisms, example plants and animals. Abiotic means the world of non-living elements, example land and water. You can say the sunlight, everything. Okay. Before we go to the next slide, I'll say that natural environment is made up of biotic and abiotic factors. This biotic and abiotic factors makes the four major domains of our earth, or four spheres of our earth. Sphere means the shape of our earth. We categorize our earth into four main domains or spheres. Okay, that only we are going to see in the next slides. Before that, yes, that natural environment, I told you that four important domains of our earth is made by biotic or abiotic factors. That is air, water, land and all living things. Okay, here if you saying air is a biotic or abiotic factor, abiotic factor, very good. Then water, biotic or abiotic? Biotic. Is it correct? Yes, no. It is abiotic factor. Land, biotic or abiotic? Abiotic factor. Then all living organisms, biotic factor. So all these four comprises our natural environment. Here, after this, we are going to see details about these four domains such as air domain, water domain, land and other living organisms. Okay, the first one is a clue for you. Litho. Children, do you hear the word litho? Yes. What is the meaning for litho or lithic? Is absolutely correct. Litho or lithic means stones or rocks. Okay, the first domain, that is land domain, we are going to see now, that is called lithosphere. Why we are saying that is lithosphere? Because it is made up of stone or rocks. We are saying that lithosphere is called upper surface of the earth. Okay children, do you understand? Okay, now you say the upper surface of the earth is smooth, regular or irregular? Yes, correct. It is irregular. If you are seeing one place is so tall and another place is so low. Okay, such as mountains, deserts, valleys, plains, all these come under the lithosphere. And also oceanic crust we have. Continental crust, that mountain, plains, desert is come under continental crust, and we have oceanic crust also. What is called oceanic crust? Yes children, if you take a bath, in a lake or a river or other water bodies, if you go deep inside, your feet will touch the floor of the water body. You will say that is floor of the river. Yes children, that floor part also come in the lithosphere. So the lithosphere is considered as two crust, that is continental crust and another one is the oceanic crust. Lithosphere, here I am giving that points. Lithosphere is the domain that provides as forest, grasslands for grazing, land for agriculture and human settlements. Yes, it is not only what I am saying oceanic, continental. The human settlements where we are living, that also come under the lithosphere. It is also a source of mineral wealth. Yes, we use lot of mineral resources, that all we are taken from the lithosphere, not from the other domains, not from the other spheres. We are taking all the mineral wealth from the lithosphere. Yes children, now you remember about the lithosphere. Lithosphere is the upper surface of the earth, that is called surface crust, earth's crust. That is continental crust and oceanic crust. In the continental crust, mountains, grasslands and all the places will come. In the oceanic crust, the what surface of the oceans, that is water bodies, is come in the oceanic crust.